How to get an Instagram username. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to get the Instagram username, what you simply need to do over here is launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on the option of edit profile. As you tap on edit profile, you can see the username. Now if you want to change it, simply tap on it and you can simply make the necessary edits. So let's just try and make the edit over here, and if it's available you'll be able to see the green check mark beside the username, but if not, it would say that the username is already taken. So let's just put on the username that we'd want, and it says it's not available. So we'll have to choose, we'll have to try and test it out. So you have to enter the username that's most probably available for us. So let's just put it like this, and it will be, if it's available, then it would just give us this blue tick mark at the top right corner. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.